This is a Valeri Sjodin stencil that I just love, M213. I'm going to use the back side of the Bristol because I already got it dirty. And I'm going to lay it down here. Now, this might be a time that you could also use pixie spray if you, wanted to really hold this into place while you're working. This is much like using the pan pastel. You can use any of these products to apply. Another thing you can use is cosmetic department products, like little eyeshadow applicators. Because look at this little babe right here. You can get a little soft pastel on the brush, and then you can put it right where you want it. So don't dismiss, I got a lot of airborne stuff going on here. Don't dismiss the idea of stuff like this too. And also, I'm gonna just have to say, I have become a real aficionado of these like cheaper supplies like you get at the dollar store and so forth, because you can just hardly beat the prices. But a little eye makeup thing is kind of nice if you're especially trying to get into smaller parts. Now, you can apply this right to the sponge like I'm doing here, and that's something that I like to do. It helps control it, and then there's not a lot of waste when you do that. You're not wasting much at all. These will blend up right on your sponge. I'm gonna go back to this now because I think this is kind of a winner. Oh my God, you guys, right there. Unbelievable. Once again, soft pastels, they're gonna need to be set with something. Okay. Look how precise it is. It picked up the number of the stencil. That's hilarious. So precise, but also so pretty. Now, this is one where I would use a spray fixative.